This is Kevin Benedict, live from Sapphire 2010 with Dan Homrich from Smartsoft, and we're going to talk about mobility today, and specifically B2E.
Well, thank you, Kevin. Appreciate that opportunity, or this opportunity.
Yeah.
So if we talk about business to business, right, we think about what that looks like, and that used to be in a web presence. It may be a trading portal or a trading partner portal or something of that nature. And then we had B2C, right, which is business to consumer, which then took in specifically in the area of retailers, right, created an environment where someone could do something on the web, right, and interact directly with businesses. Well, now it's B2E, which is business to everybody. And what that means, it means taking the information that's available in your back office system like an SAP and making it available to everybody. What does that look like? Maybe it's inventory on hand, real-time inventory allocation information availability on hand for enterprises that have taken the time to invest in SAP. Now we can drive that information down to an app. It may be a B2C app. It may be what would be traditionally a B2C app. For example, large retailers who want to tell their customers where to find stock availability if they have 20 store locations in a particular city. So organizations that have made the investment in the back office system to understand, for example, where their inventory is located, now have a competitive edge over their competitors, or a distinct edge over their competitors, to provide information to the consumer, basically to everybody, about things such as mundane as stock availability.
Right. Awesome. So how does that differ from a lot of other mobile applications you might find in the SAP ecosystem?
That's a great question. And one of the things that companies have to bridge is how do you make that information publicly available so that it can be consumed by a variety of applications, right? Because having inventory quantities available is nice, but who's going to use it? What application is going to consume that? So there has to be a framework, if you will, something in place that allows organizations to take the information out of SAP, maybe match it up with catalog content, some sort of other presence they may have, and then make it available to an end user. Most typical application of that would be an iPhone application that a retailer will build and download and make available for consumption by a customer.
That is exciting. So what kind of products do you guys have then that makes that, that makes that possible? What should customers call you and ask you about?
Great question. So the first element of it is our ability simply to connect to specifically SAP. So we have an m-commerce engine that allows us to connect to solutions like SAP. Maybe there is a metrics component of it or an analytics component of it that is specific to web retailing that they need to move to a mobile device, because web retailing in a browser is not the same thing as having a rich application on a mobile device. So we provide the middleware to bring all of that together to provide a rich environment on a mobile device that gives them access to that. Now, typically in a B2E environment, you're going to have some variants that are targeted for business to business, so you still want a rich native mobile app to be able to do that. And the B2C side, we're going to work heavily with branding companies, or we work with branding companies, marketing companies, to bring the whole package together. The important thing there, again, is that real-time inventory or customer information out of the back office system, so the back office system always has up-to-date, accurate information.
Got it. And so what's your website? Where can people find you?
www.smartsoftmobile.com.
Awesome.
Thank you, Kevin.
Thanks a lot, Dan.